my channel and happy Onam everyone. As you know guys that Onam is really very near and I'm so excited to show you my get ready with me video, like my hair, makeup, everything I want to show you on the video. So let's get started. Prepping your skin is really important before applying any makeup products. I'm gonna apply this Lotus moisturizer. Choose the one which is suitable for your skin type. Next up, I'm using this sunscreen, Lotus Harvest Sun Sunscreen. So applying sunscreen, like, it helps to protect your skin from any premature aging and UV rays, which is really very damaging for your skin. So yeah. Next, I'm using coconut oil as a primer. Yeah, it really works the same as primer. So dab it all over the face, just like I'm doing. It really works the same as primer. Just you can use, if you don't have primers, instead of primers, you can use coconut oil. Just like I do. It's soak for some seconds. Foundation that is from the brand called MAC. You know, the foundation corrects your skin tone. It helps your skin to be perfect. So I'll be using Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. Helps to hide the dark circle spots, even rashes also. So apply it gently on under the eyes. Like, using this Johnson's baby powder as a setting powder. I don't know if it will work or not, but let's try it. It's really working. Next, I'll be using this Insta Glow highlighter. Next step is my favorite, that is blush from the brand called Swiss Beauty. I'm going to set my eyebrows. The brand that I'm using is Natural Brow Shaper. High time for eyeshadows, and I'm using the brand called Soft Glam eyeshadow palette. Actually, I want a red shades in my eyelids, and for that I'm using I'm using this red shade. And again, I'll be using a red shade here. I don't know, but actually red color suits me really well. So I just love to wear a red eyeshadow. And but yeah, that I don't like just applying eyeshadows. I don't know why, but I just don't like applying much makeup eyeshadows. Next, for my lipstick, I'm using the brand from Lakme In Reach Satin. I know Lakme brand is really favorite. Lakme is really very costly, but yeah, this is really good. It's a really good product. let's see, I'm going to over and let's just make it simple and concept. Bindi for Onam. I'm using the kajal from Lakme. Also, I'm adding some gold jhumkas.